Meaning of economical.
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 Economical. The term economical pertains to the efficient use of resources, particularly in terms of cost savings. When something is described as economical, it means that it is cost-effective and doesn't waste any unnecessary resources. This can apply to various areas, such as energy usage, production processes, and personal finance. By being economical, one can achieve their desired results while minimizing their expenses. Ultimately, being economical allows individuals and businesses alike to optimize their resources and make the most out of what they have available.